Well, hello, this is Jimadism TV. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your laptop continue running your programs, showing your movie or doing whatever you do when you close the lid of the computers. The normal thing for a laptop is that when you close the lid, it will either go into sleep mode or shut down or something like that. But I will show you how you can change this. This is very practical if you use a projector or a TV and you want to only see it on the TV. You just close the lid, but it keeps running. So basically, my operating system is in Swedish, but I will explain everything. So here we have the battery sign. You click on the battery or go into the menu here to go and find the battery. And then you click on this settings for energy alternatives, this thing down here. So settings for energy alternatives, and then you get this settings screen here. Then you are of course on energy alternatives, but you want to go further to the related settings here and more energy settings. So here, click on the more energy settings sign here, and now you get up this little menu here that might seem complex, but it's actually not. So here on this panel on the side here, you can see you can have the first is the start page of the control panel. The second is to assign what the switch, the on-off switch of the computer should do. And the third one here is what happens when the computer's lid is closed. So you want to click on this one. What happens when your lid closes? So here you have the switch. So I have it to turn off the computer, and then you can have the energy saving button as well and assign that as well. And here, when I close the computer's lid in battery, it goes into sleep mode. At connected to the energy source, it also goes into sleep. But now we're going to change this to do nothing and do nothing. And then you just go down here and click Save Settings, and here you go. And if you want to change this, I actually don't connect my computer so much to a screen like that, so I will have it at energy saving mode. However, what can be kind of good is to have it on energy saving mode when you close the lid under battery, when it's on battery, because then you want to save, so you don't accidentally empty your computer of the energy and maybe some important information get lost. And only have it on do nothing on when you connected it to the net, because usually when you use this feature, it is when your computer is standing and connected in when you are using a television or listening to music or whatever you have it connected to the net, the power net, the power grid. But that's how to do it, and after all changes you just click Save Settings, and that's that. So I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial, and if you liked this video also, you should tune in for the future videos if you are new to this channel. In other case, stay subscribed and wait for more practical tips. This is Jimadism TV signing out.